Pagbati. So, May 2, 6:54 a.m. And I'm on my way to the bus stop. On time. I hope the bus is on time for me. And yeah, for today's weather, it's 20 degrees now. But later it will be 24. So I'm wearing a shorts. And yeah, every Friday I have 2 classes, 9 to 11, policy analysis, and then social change and inequality in Europe from 1 to 4. So it will be a bit of a full day, and yeah, we'll see. So now I'm 9 minutes early for the bus. I really hope it will be on time. And so share ko lang, that's where the Tomorrowland campsite is. So, touchdown sa campus and I'm on time for my class. Kahit na delayed yung bus. So, ayun. I hope it would be a good class. So, my class finished early today and I will go see my Filipino friends to have lunch with and maybe become a videographer. So, gaano kakalad Karen? Tatakbo nang wala sa oras. So, kasama ko ng aking gang. O, diba? Twinning sila.
Kotse.
And we'll try to run 3 kilometers before my class. And, let's see. That's my manager right there. And this is my work bestie. Yeah, change outfit.
Running shoes lagi sa work.
Okay. First stretching.
Paano?
Head to...
Magpapray na tayo. Lagi ko ba nagilid ng PE? Nag-aerobics kami.
Mobility. Ayun. Nakita niya ako. Why you become so small? Big? Ano ginagawa mo, Big? Hindi ko abot yan. Yan, kaya masakit yung pad. Okay na yan. Tatakbo na tayo. Okay. 1 km. Magkakaiba na record. 2 km. Naman na siya. Okay. So we're almost done with our 3 kilometer. And she wants more.
Where's Jen? Where's Jen?
So, gaano kaladkad? Kakalad Karen. 3 kilometer done. 3 kilometers done.
32 kilometers na.
Good ka done, babe.
Don't you well? Ganyan drops?
Ik ben trots op jou. Ayaw. Tingnan mo si Toy. Hala, 4 km ata siya.
Ilan ba? Akin 418. Feeling ko sobrang bloated ko na. At ilang weeks ako napahinga.
Grabe yung abs niya.
Wow. Open ba yan? Ay, sarap umupo. Malamig.
Oo, ang tawag dito. Just, we finished 3 kilometers. And now we're gonna have some lunch. Because we deserve it. And I have to freshen up first because I have my next class at 1 till 4. So, yeah. Khud khidan. Ano kapag sa French? Khud khidan. Kaya très bien. Très bien. Free salon. Namiss ko tuloy si Ed. Si Ed yung sister ko, lagi din niya akong binibraidan. Pero magre-reklamo muna siya bago niya ako braidan.
Talaga din. Kasama-sama yan sa pagtanda. Maging reklamo din.
Lunch! Burger. Ganda naman.
Jus de France, s'il vous plaît, sur le plat.
Merci beaucoup, madame.
D'accord.
Hey, lunch! So 12:52 on time for my second class, and yeah, with my best. Meron ka pa. Weekend.
Narinig ko tuloy sa video yung ko.
Going home. Pauwi na ang mga princess.
Nag-shopping ang mga anak ni Henry C.
Ito lang. Kasi birthday niya, kaya justified. Justified ang ano. Ang init.
Justified ang expenditures.
Pero siya si Julie C.
Nanawagan po ko sa aking tatay.
Asa na po yung monthly allowance?
Asa na po?
Anyway. So 5:35 and medyo kulas ng princess. Because I had my 9 to 11 class. And then I run 3 kilometers with Ate Heidi and Bea. And we had lunch. After that, I had my 1 to 4 class. And then, yeah, now I'm on my way home. So touchdown, kamainti namin. Ang aking energy level ay 30% na lamang. So, we'll see. But there's a nice dinner awaiting for us. And 6:21 and I'm home. Say hi, Simba. Simba.